I have been getting a lot of questions recently about placement guarantee courses, especially the one by internshala. A lot of you guys are asking if these courses are worth it or if they are just scam. So I decided to research and share my findings with you. Before getting into the internshala placement guarantee course, let's first understand what placement guarantee courses are in general. Placement guarantee courses are the programs that help you to get a job or internship after you complete the course. They promise a guaranteed job within a certain time frame, usually around 6 months. And if you don't get placed, they offer a refund. So the amount of refund depends on the companies. Some refund 50%, 75%, or even some companies refund 100% of the amount. Now internshala offers a full stack development placement guarantee course, and that's what we will be reviewing today. So what exactly does the internshala placement guarantee course offer? First, as you can see, even the course name suggests guaranteed placement. You are guaranteed a job in full stack development within 6 months of completing the course, and if you don't get placed, you will get 100% refund. This is actually a big plus point. Like if you are not getting the job, you are getting full refund, and we can say you will learn for free. Second thing is practical learning. This course doesn't teach you just theory like general courses. They are just the recorded courses and they just teach you the theory. But this course is more focused into practical learning. You will work on industry level projects that will help you build a portfolio to impress employers. Another thing that this course offers is dual certification. Upon completing this course, you will get a certificate from internshala trainings that is actually recognized by 1,80,000 plus companies, and also you will get a Government of India recognized certificate from NSDC and Skill India. Internshala also helps you with mock interviews, resume building, and soft skills, everything to make you job ready. Now let's see the major plus point in this course. That's refund policy. If you don't get placed within 6 months, internshala promises to refund 100% of your course fee. This actually makes this course risk-free. Either you will get placed or you will get 100% refund. But the guarantee only applies if you put the effort. You need to complete your assignments, attend live sessions, work on projects, and then this guarantee is applied on you. Like you have to commit to learning and applying these skills. Now let's see the course structure. This full stack development course by internshala is a mix of different formats. Like you will have live sessions, you will have recorded videos, and master classes. These are sessions by industry experts from top companies like Google, Microsoft, McKinsey, and they will provide real-world insights, how things actually work in companies, how industries work, and all that stuff that will help you to excel in your skills. You will also have access to community support where you can interact with other students who are all working towards the same goal. That's here full stack development. Also, you will get access to pre-recorded videos that you can watch anytime. I have enrolled in this course just to give you an overview. So let me get into this full stack development course here. In this dashboard, you can see all your progress, how much you have completed the course, attendance, have you attended the live sessions or not. Everything is here tracked down, and you will have multiple assessments that you have to complete and also a capstone project. Let me show you what's inside this course. This course has a total of 9 modules, and starting from the full stack development, the introduction, getting started with the code editor and all that stuff. And then you will have the course 2 starting with HTML, CSS, and then getting into Tailwind CSS. And then you have to complete a test, and then you can get into the another version that is mastering the Git and GitHub. So in this course, along with the full stack development, you are learning all the tools that are related to the full stack development. After Git and GitHub, you will be learning JavaScript, developing interactive dynamic websites with JavaScript, starting with the JavaScript foundation, core concepts of JavaScript, functions and arrays, DOM manipulation, asynchronous JavaScript, and a lot more. After completing the foundations of JavaScript, you will be learning data structures and algorithms in JavaScript. And after learning the data structures, you will have to complete the midterm assessment, and then after midterm assessment, you will be having some advanced data structures and algorithms in JavaScript. Then we will have, after completing the JavaScript, we will be learning building modern web applications using React library. React is the most popular library of JavaScript for 2024 and 2025. So this course is actually up to date, and that will help you to learn trending things that are going into the web development. After learning React.js, you will be getting into the Node.js. That means you are learning complete MERN stack development. mastering the Node.js, Express.js, MongoDB, as well as the React.js. So with this course, you will become an overall full stack developer. After completing the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and then MERN stack, you will have to build your own capstone project. Like with this capstone project, after you complete this project, then you will head to the placement sessions where you can attend the interview calls and all that thing so that you will get placed, and internshala will help you in that process. So I think this course is the right fit for you because even a beginner can take this course. This course is starting from the basics, from the zero, it's then going into the intermediate topics and then the advanced topics so that you will become an overall full stack developer. And after completing this course, you can also download the certificate. Another plus point is here, like if you are learning, for example, you will have to watch a video, you can just click on these three dots and directly download the module videos. In this way, you can have lifetime access to these videos. Then you can watch these videos anytime. And every week there will be 2 live sessions. Is this a scam or not? So after going through all these details, here is the big question. Is internshala's placement guarantee course a scam? To be honest, the answer is no. It's not a scam, but it's not a magic solution either. If you are only serious about learning, putting in the effort and completing the assignments, this course will actually help you to get a job in full stack development. The refund policy is also a great safety. If you don't get placed within 6 months, you will get all your money back. That means this course is a zero risk investment. But you also have to remember, like, success depends on you. If you don't complete the course, this guarantee does not apply on you. Like, you have to complete the courses, you have to complete the assignments regularly, attend live sessions. This course gives you actually the tools and support, but the rest is up to you. So if you are ready to put in the efforts and start your career in full stack development, this course will be the right fit for you. Check out the link in description for more details. I will also drop the link in pinned comment. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Are these placement guarantee courses the way forward, or do you have any doubts? Just comment down. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more videos like this.